Today we are going to perform a test for one of our customers. He would like to remove vetch out of rye. Our goal is to get to this disc mill and use it. But first we have to start by running it through our Eliminator seed cleaner. This is the sample that we are starting with. We have 4 bags. We're going to run them all through the seed cleaner, and then we will be able to test the disc mill and see how well it removes the vetch out of the rye. Okay, we are running our test. In the top screen I have an 8 by 3/4 slot to scalp off the large round vetch. In the bottom screen I have an 11 triangle. And I have taped off 3/4 of this screen all the way up to here, and the majority of the rye is falling through in that first section. Now we are losing some, but we can always try and go back after that at the end of the sample. I really don't believe that will amount to much, and you have to look at all the vetch that you're getting rid of. This is going to help your disc mill perform a whole lot better. Also notice all of the small vetch that is coming out. This is what's falling through the 11 triangle. Again, this just helps your disc mill perform so much better. Over here is where the clean sample is coming out. One thing I wanted to show you is what we are starting with. This is after it has gone through the Eliminator seed cleaner, and before we have put it in the disc mill. This is a rebuilt Carter Day 1815 disc mill, separating vetch out of rye. What this means is that there is 18-inch in diameter discs inside this mill, and there are 15 of them total. It's also polishing the rye. You can see that fine dust as it goes through the machine. The motor is a 1 horsepower, 115, 208, 230 volt motor. The rye enters the disc mill at the top up here. It fills the bottom, and as the bottom fills up, the discs are running through the rye and vetch mix, picking up the vetch pieces and tossing them over and down out of the bottom into this bin we have below. You can see all the vetch that is being pulled out, and small rye chips as well. The result is almost pure rye. Another thing to keep in mind is all these little doors here. If you don't like what one of the discs is removing, you can open them, and then the product will jump into the auger. There's an auger spinning below there. It will jump into the auger and go back through and start at the beginning to be separated again.